Now in this lesson we're looking at multiplying whole numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Very easy concept here. The rule is, when multiplying whole numbers by 10, 100 or 1000, we simply rewrite the number and put some extra zeros at the end. Well, that seems to be pretty easy. This is the rule. If we times by 10, if we multiply by 10, we're going to write 1 0 at the end. If we times by 100, we simply write 2 zeros at the end. And if we multiply or times by 1000, we're going to write 3 zeros at the end. Let's see how that all works. Let's look at some examples. Part A, 43 times 10. Well, let's start with the 43. Now we're timesing by 10. Okay, let's look up our rule. If we times by 10, we simply write 1 0 at the end. So in the end there, we're just going to write 1 0. So our answer there is 430. Easy, very easy. Part B, 28 times 100. So let's write our 28 down. Now we're multiplying by 100. So looking up at our little rule there, we're going to write 2 zeros at the end. So at the end there, let's write 2 zeros. So our answer there, 2,800. It's a very easy lesson, this one, isn't it? The next one, 3 times 1000. Well, you might already know the answer to that, but let's see how the rule works. Let's write the 3 down, and we're multiplying by 1000, so we're going to write 3 zeros at the end. So at the end there, 1, 2, 3. Write 3 zeros there. So our answer there is 3,000. Okay, you probably already knew the answer before we did that. Question D, 725 times 10. So let's write our 725 firstly. We're multiplying by 10. So let's see, when we times by 10, we write 1 0 at the end. So let's write that in there. And our answer then, 7,250. Our next one, 61 times 1000. Well, let's write our 61 down. Now we're multiplying by 1000. Okay, there's the multiplication by 1000, timesing by 1000. We'd write 3 zeros at the end. So there we have it, 1, 2, 3 zeros. And our answer there, 61,000. Our final question here, 596 times 100. Well, let's write the 596 down firstly. We're timesing by 100. So in this case, we write 2 zeros at the end. So at the end there, simply write our 2 zeros. And here is our number now, 59,600. So let's write that down, leaving a little space between the 59 and the 600. Excellent. Well, that concludes the lesson. Good luck with your questions.